Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a cleaning cycle on a Canon Pixma MG5750. Now, if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, press the home button there to be returned here. Then we use the arrows to the right of the screen to press up, and we get to setup. Then you press the button underneath setup to go in, then OK once more to go into maintenance. Now from maintenance, cleaning is the first option down. Now, although I'm going to run cleaning on this one, which pushes like a modest amount of ink through the printhead and dislodges any dried ink that'll be causing you print quality issues. There is also the option directly underneath that for deep cleaning, which uses more ink and is a more kind of efficient clean, but at that cost. So I'm going to press OK to go into cleaning. Once more to start cleaning. Now this will take the printer a couple minutes. Now from here, you've got the option to do a nozzle check test pattern, which I would recommend if you've been having any print quality issues. Doing so will present you something like this and allow you to look for any breaks, lines, missing colours that you may have. So I'd recommend that as your next step. And from there you can kind of go in circles doing test pages and cleans until your issue is resolved. Now, I hope that's solved the problem you've had. If there's anything else you'd like to know, do please let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.